To apply a live effect to your wallpaper in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down to the wallpaper and style, and then you can click on this tile right here. Now it will open your photos, so select whichever photo you want to have a dynamic effect on. I would recommend to pick an object that has some kind of a person or any object that is highlighted. So in this case, I'm going to use this photo. Then it will try to cut out this object perfectly from the background, and then you can apply different frame for that object to be inside. So let's go for this one right here. Then we can also apply different weather effects to our photo. As you can see, this one looks quite cool, as it looks like the rain is actually falling on that miniature. You can go for anything else as well, and there's also different cinematics effects that you will need to download, but in this case let's wait just a moment until it's downloaded. And that way we can add cinematic effects so it looks like this. So there's plenty of options that you can choose from. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.